Spend it all, make it back in the day. Catch a flight in the nights in my ball merch.
What's going on, everybody?
Hey, everybody!
Shh. Alright, well, I'm taking a poo. Addie, you should go show the new addition to the fam.
Let's go! Okay, everybody, so I'm gonna show you who's our new addition to the family. He's playing with my shoe. Everybody say hi to Blue. And we have Haley's beautiful self. He's really small. He's the size of my hand. He's really cute.
Hey guys, we're at the carnival, so like, I don't know, we're gonna have a blast. It's supposed to rain today, but you know the forecast is showing something different, so let's go to the carnival. Gang gang.
That's trifling. That is really
Grade A trifling right here, grade A trifling. I wanna say thanks to all my peoples. We hit 22,000 subscribers, you feel me? I wanna say thanks to all you guys. Leave a like on this video, and yeah. Can I get 20 for free? I can't get 20 for free. I'm out. So let me get 20 tickets. Thanks, dog.
Boom, 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 boom. Skirt up and every she go boom, boom, boom. My baby alone in a boom, boom, boom. Yeah. Boom, boom, boom. She go boom, 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 boom. Skirt up and every she go boom, boom, boom. My baby alone in a boom, boom, boom. Yeah. Boom, boom, boom. She go boom.
I was gonna say, yeah, the backpack might need to come off for this.
Yeah.
All right, shift to your side, two back to back. Frustrated right off the rip on that.
Hey, I don't know. I just thought if you throw them hard, it'd be good. One more. I hit the middle thing. Like, what a waste. That's harder than you think. We gotta pump some balloons. $5. $5.
3 notes 5, 7 notes 10.
All right. Oh, crap.
So you start with your first prize, which is a small, it's stuff like these guys.
Alright.
The next size prize, which is the medium. The more you pop in, the bigger it is.
I'll just grab one of these. You know what I'm saying? Here you go, girl. I got you this. Why I gotta hold everything?
I got my pair.
Let's go on the spinny thing. Yeah, we gotta get some fried food. Wanna get on the caterpillar?
oh my gosh,
Wanna get on the caterpillar? Wow! Yeah, we got them drugs. Who need the drugs? Just kidding. I gotta put all my crap in here because I already know it's gonna fly out. Work harder, not smarter.
You look like a burnt bean burrito. You look like a quesadilla.
You look like a quesadilla, shorty. Yeah. Yeah, got that pack, shorty. Heart attack. Hey, yo. Ciao, dudes. We're gonna be like spinning super fast. Yeah. I'm gonna have to. Why am I getting mad dizzy already? I feel so old.
Right?
Look at the damn magnetized.
Oh. You gotta fight it. Oh my god.
Oh my.
I think there's something wrong with me. Oh yeah.
When life gives you lemons. When life gives you lemons, what do you do?
Big bands. Big old band. Hey yo, check this out. I ain't never. It's from 1993. It's older than me.
You want some?
Got the bag secure fried Oreos. You get the first one. You've never had them before. You get the first fried Oreo. This is our first fried Oreo. What you think?
This smell.
Okay. That's gonna be $15. Look, $1.50 a ticket. 12 tickets.
right now.
This is the best part right here, is when they stop it at the top, and you with your little sis, you feel me? She freaking out.
Look at this, look at this. Like,
No te creo, es muy loca. Oh!
This is fun. I'm having such a great time.
it said shoot all the red.
This all the red. We made it back to Lucy, successful. I'm happy with the outcome. Even though the dude jipped me on the gun thing, like I obviously like got all the red out. F you, Carney guy. F you. Stop.
Ooh, why does it sound like that?
What a silly goose you are. I don't know if I told you, but
She didn't really say anything. She just said like, look, here's the kitten.
oh, so we named the kitten Blue because of his color. He's like a blue color.
Oh my gosh.
He's crying.
Look at him. He's a cutie patootie. So it's our cat, right?
Yeah, it's our.
It's our cat, mainly hers, but since he's like technically mine a little bit, we gotta introduce him to the drift life. So what we're gonna do is in a little bit, we're gonna take him for his first little drift
Well,
sesh.
he's been drifting, okay?
Okay,
but-
I'm talking about legit drift, you feel me? So we're gonna take him for his first little, you know what I'm saying, drift session, and then it's gonna be fun. You can chew, bro. Alright, so this is like my favorite drift spot. It's like right down the street from my house. If you know where I live, then you know where this is at, but you probably don't because you're not from around here. As you can see, it's a great spot for manchies. You ready, kitty? It's the life that we live, okay? Drift life.
Yeah, don't add that. Oh my god. Okay, calm down. Calm down.
Like,
Okay.
nobody's calming down. We just like hit that shit and that shit was legit.
Smelling hot dogs in here for
I don't know. One-handed drifts.
hot doggers.
I'm not a good one-handed drifter.
Oh, I think it's under my ass.
I'm not a good one-hander. The fudge.
It's like animal cruelty.
This is not animal cruelty. This is animal fun.
Oh my god.
What? He's Gucci. Look at him. He's a freaking pro at this. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to copy your merch down in the description. Also,
Like the video.
and also, if you guys enjoy the videos, if you want to support the channel to the max extent that you could possibly support it, go check out my Patreon, link in the description as well. You can, I mean, as simple as like $5 a month. Like all that shit helps a lot, and you guys mean the most to me. But thanks for 22K. Like I was saying earlier, you guys are the best. Comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next show.
What's going on, everybody? Ciao.
I've been worried about the bros all black with my fit. Got the white for overseas, I ain't worried about a check. Spend it all, make it back in the